Signs of a bad water pump. Yep, if I can hold it right. I'm gonna try to hold it. I don't know if you can see that. Try to keep it still a while. All the seals and the bearings are worn out. Fair. To make it come on onto a bad water pump. It's leaking all the coolant out. This is 2017 Volkswagen Jetta 1.4 turbocharged engine. I don't know why I'm taking that on, but I'm taking it off. I gotta go pick up the water pump tomorrow, well, Wednesday, because they didn't deliver to me Thursday. I don't know what's going on with that. There's thermostat housing. This is all the thermostat housing. There's thermostat number 1, thermostat number 2. There's the water pump housing, belt driven on the camshaft. Here's the belt, part number 15471102 and part number 15471103, 1547. I'm gonna see if the part still had that belt just in case. It's supposed to come in the kit complete with the water pump belt and everything. You can see timing driven, timing camshaft driven. We go right there on the back side of the engine. Bit of a pain in the ass to get to, but it is manageable, very manageable. Kind of hard to take it apart though, I can tell you that much. Everything's off. I'm gonna go ahead and move my truck out the way and get this pushed forward. I could probably drive it, but I'm not. Don't want to do it. I had to take a great deal of things off of the car to get it to where it is right now, to get it taken apart. I always like to reinsert all my screws back in the holes where they came out of. This is to the turbo housing. Don't want to drop nothing in there, so I'm gonna go ahead and put a rag in that. I got a paper towel. I'm gonna put a paper towel in all the holes where I don't want nothing to go into. And I'll go get me something to eat in a second. But I don't have to take the battery off, I can tell you that much. Plug up the turbo hole, because I don't want nothing going in there. Now I'm going to plug up the other hole on the opposite side. I don't want nothing going in there as well. I can lock the door and move the car up some. So plugged up. One more to plug up. I don't want nothing going inside the turbo. I don't want nothing going nowhere that could cause serious damage. to this engine. Using some very expensive 1.4s. Plug 1, plug 2, plug 3, and 4. Oh, got the intake to plug up too. Everything plugged up. Everything's looking good. All right, y'all. Now I'm going to answer this 1833 number.